What's going on, guys? Today we might have this body kit sold. If you can tell me what these are for, I'd really appreciate it. I know they're for a CBR. I think they're either for a 2006, 0506, or maybe for an 04, 03, and 04. That's what I need them to be. They are a little faded. You can see it was white at one point, but here we're looking at them. I think this is all I have. I know I'm missing some lower body panels, but here we know it's a 600RR. I already know that. But if you're interested, like I said, I think they're sold if they're for an 04. But everything is intact on this. We have all the mounting points, I think, for the rear, so that's good. And then here is, I guess, are these side panels? They probably go in, I don't even know. So there's these guys, that's all there. Now you're gonna run into some issues like this. These are not intact right here. This will be your left side. So yeah, we're missing some tabs right there. Otherwise, everything looks good. There's no markings on here. If I could find a marking, there's a little bit of paint missing there. So anyway, that piece is a little off. Yeah, not bad though, not bad. Pretty good. Let's go look at this. Over here, this is the bottom where there's probably a belly pan that we're missing. There's a little crack there. And then these even have the grommets on two of them. And then there's that one's missing. But the graphics are nice. And there's the bottom. I don't think that might be broken out. It looks similar on this side. No, that is a little broken. Not a big deal. And then we have our tank cover. Tank cover's got some bruises. But all in all, we have a lot of stuff here. And she's still in pretty good shape. Alright, so the tank cover is solid. Looks like some repairs have been done. Not sure why, because it looks like it hasn't been beat up from the top. Still original, it looks like. And then go on to the other side piece here. You can see I was cut from that engine teardown. Still have stuff there, but my wife took care of me there. And look at the front fender. Front fender still has grommets and some other pieces back there, so that's pretty intact. I don't know. So we're gonna look this over. I'm gonna go do some comparisons and make sure that we have, oh, there is something right there. Oh, where is it? I wonder if I can get some information off of that. That'll tell me what, hopefully, give me a number there. And then, of course, the thing that's always broken, the top fairing, top front fairing, everything is here. Looks like some repair, some stress cracks maybe. This one looks good. It really does. There's a little bit of cracking on the nose, but when you go around, let's see. Those guys are there. There's something missing, maybe. There's an intact sucker there. That's probably bolts for the... we're missing the headlight mount on this side, it looks like. Otherwise, maybe there's something else missing there. Otherwise, I think we're in pretty good shape here. These could be good for track. But if you need some fairings, I'm assuming this is an 06. I'll probably look it up and compare it and put it on the title. So let me know if you know. And thanks for watching. Thanks for helping. And these guys will be going down the road as soon as I figure out what they are. Like I said, I'm going to look for any information I can from the backs and see if I find a code or a number or anything. Thank you. Catch you soon. Get out and ride. Put your bike back together. See ya on the next one.